1 million Jeeps got a warning that sounds backwards. Do not park them inside. Not because the engine is running, not because someone is charging them. The recall says the risk can exist even with the ignition off. The object at the center is small compared with the vehicle. Wiring for the electric hydraulic power steering pump. NHTSA's recall entry says that wiring may overheat and cause a vehicle fire. The models named are certain Jeep Wrangler, Wrangler 4E, and Gladiator vehicles from the 2021 through 2025 model years. That is why the first instruction is so visual. Park outside. Keep the vehicle away from structures until it is repaired. This is not a claim that every one of these vehicles will catch fire. It is a recall warning, but the warning changes the scene. A garage stops being a background. It becomes the wrong place to store a risk you cannot see from the driver's seat. So imagine the system as 3 layers. Layer 1 is the parked vehicle. The key is out. The dashboard is dark. The family has gone inside. Layer 2 is the front-end hardware. Steering assist is supposed to disappear from your mind. You only notice it when it fails. But in this recall, the issue is not steering feel. It is heat building on a wiring path near the pump. Layer 3 is scale. Secondary auto reporting put the affected population around 1.07 million vehicles. That turns a component problem into a parking lot problem. Suburbs, driveways, apartment complexes, trail rigs, work trucks, and garages all holding the same question. The remedy is not a software story only. NHTSA says dealers will inspect and replace affected parts as necessary, free of charge. Owner letters are expected in July, and VINs were expected to become searchable on NHTSA Gov in June. The important detail is what happens before the appointment. Owners are advised to park outside and away from structures. That is the sentence that makes the recall understandable in one image. A vehicle recall usually feels like paperwork. Campaign number, model years, dealer notice, parts availability. This one feels physical because the instruction reaches your driveway before it reaches the service bay. The safest way to read it is simple. Check the recall, check your VIN, follow the official notice, and do not treat the absence of smoke as proof that the warning is irrelevant. The strange part is not that a vehicle can be recalled. The strange part is that a parked vehicle can turn the garage into the risk zone.